Market will be making a move from this point to 7500 with a stop loss of 17450, and let's see what happens. Let's see if it closes above the new high. It has started to make a move. It is trading above the previous high, so let's see if it reaches 17,500. 487, 488, 490. Option premiums are not dropping. Let's see if it can make it to 17,500. I took a call of Nifty 17,450 strike price at 68.90 with a stop loss of 61, and now it's trading like 79. It made a high of about 83. My first target was 1:1, like 81. So I booked 75% profits, and 25% quantity I have held on to. Let's see what happens. And I have traded my SL to cost, which is 68.9, and currently the option is trading at 78.3. So let's see if it makes to 17,500. Uh, our target was hit and it moved a bit further from our target. So it was nice, and had a third target of about 101. It got back from 99. So let's see if it hits 101. And I have already booked 95% of my quantity. So the last remaining 5% quantity I'll be holding with the CTC. So as I told you earlier, I'll be waiting if the two candle closes above 500, and so it did. That are risk rewards. So it was stop loss of 21 points in spot, and I had mentioned a target of about 1:1, first target, 1:2, and 1:3 was my last target. All my targets have been hit, and now the trailing SL which I put at the 100 is also hit. So that's it for today. It was a single trade which gave me 1:3 risk rewards. Always keep stop loss. Always give your stop loss a little bit of buffer. Little bit. Don't make it too much. Otherwise, if it's gonna hit, it's gonna hit. You can do nothing about it. Happy trading. Have a nice day. Bye bye.